Here's a look at what's happening right now with Gordon. You just saw the folks in Louisiana getting prepped for this, Mississippi too. This is strengthening and could become a hurricane before making landfall somewhere around Louisiana, Mississippi, or even the Alabama coast by tonight into tomorrow morning. So there's not much time to prep. We've also got Tropical Storm Florence out here in the Atlantic and a tropical wave that will make its way all the way across the Atlantic here with some slow development over toward the Leeward Islands as we get to about a week from today. That's something that we'll be talking about more mid to late week this week and into the weekend as it starts to move across, so we get a little better idea of what's going to happen with that. Tropical Storm Gordon moving west-northwest at 17 now, winds at 65, but as we mentioned, expected to become a Category 1 hurricane before making landfall tonight somewhere in this area. Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. Doesn't look like the Florida Panhandle, but remember, the eastern side of this is the very wet side of the storm. That's what we got yesterday. So there could be a lot of rainfall moving up into Alabama and the Panhandle of Florida as well. And then it moves inland and eventually works its way all the way up to the north. Look at this. The remnants of the storm could reach up into Illinois and, wow, parts of Wisconsin possibly. We'll have to watch and see what happens there, but it could be a very wet end of the week. But right now, the real danger there is for folks in Louisiana and Mississippi. Here's a look at Tropical Storm Florence, almost hurricane strength, could become a Category 1 hurricane by the time we get to the end of the weekend. Looks like it's going to go north, but there are a few computer models suggesting it may go a little closer to the U.S. before making that northerly turn.